Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 30 common English questions and answers. Let's start. What is your full name? What is your full name? My full name is Lucy. My full name is Lucy. How is your first name spelled? How is your first name spelled? Lucy. 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 Who chose your name? Who chose your name? I think my grandfather. I haven't actually answered proper. I think my grandfather. I haven't actually answered proper. Where were you born? I was born in Dhaka in Bangladesh. I was born in Dhaka in Bangladesh. Is that a city or a town? Is that a city or a town? It's a city and also the capital of Bangladesh. It's a city and also the capital of Bangladesh. Do you have favorite color? Do you have favorite color? Yes, my favorite color is white. Yes, my favorite color is white. What kind of music do you listen to? What kind of music do you listen to? I don't really listen to too much music. Whatever's in the charts. I don't really listen to too much music. Whatever's in the chart. Do you have a favorite musical artist? Do you have a favorite musical artist? I love Taylor Swift. I love Taylor Swift. What was the last concert you went to? The last concert I went to was festival when I was 21. What was the last concert you went to? The last concert I went to was festival when I was 21. Do you have a favorite season? Do you have a favorite season? Yes, my favorite season is spring. Yes, my favorite season is spring. What do you like about that season? I love all the new life, the new leaves, and the new flowers. What do you like about that season? I love all that new life, the new leaves, and the new flower. How many people are in your immediate family? How many people are in your immediate family? Do I count the dog and the cat? If so, five of us. Do I count the dog and the cat? If so, five of us. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a younger sister called Jim. Yes, I have a younger sister called Jim. Are you married? Yes, I am just married. Are you married? Yes, I am just married. How would you describe your husband? How would you describe your husband? Lovely, handsome, and very funny. Lovely, handsome, and very funny. How old were your parents when they got married? How old were your parents when they got married? My mom was 22 and my dad was 27. My mom was 22 and my dad was 27. Do you have children? Do you have children? No. Do you plan to have children? Do you plan to have children? I would love to have children. I would love to have children. What does your father do for work? What does your father do for work? My father works with a grocery shop. My father works with a grocery shop. What does your mother do for work? What does your mother do for work? My mother was a school teacher and now she is a housewife. My mother was a school teacher and now she is a housewife. How would you describe your parents? How would you describe your parents? Hilarious, lovely, and wonderful. Hilarious, lovely, and wonderful. Where do you currently live? Where do you currently live? I currently live in Narangons. I currently live in Narangons. Do you live in an apartment or a house? Do you live in an apartment or a house? We live in a house. We live in a house. Why did you choose your current home? Why did you choose your current home? We fell in love with it. We fell in love with it. Do you have a favorite room in your home? Do you have a favorite room in your home? Probably the dining room. Probably the dining room. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have two pets. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have two pets. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have two pets. What pets do you have? I have a cat and a dog. I have a cat and a dog. Do you have a garden? Do you have a garden? I do have a lovely garden. I do have a lovely garden. What time do you eat breakfast? What time do you eat breakfast? Around 7:30 to 8. Around 7:30 to 8 a.m. What do you prefer, coffee or tea? What do you prefer, coffee or tea? Coffee. I am a bad breed. Coffee. I am a bad breed. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Fruit. All the seasonal fruit. Fruit. All the seasonal fruit.